Welcome to the Band Photos channel. If you enjoy historical photos, support us with a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Gisele Bündchen, 2002. James and Amelia, Texas, 1867. A family on a motorcycle with a sidecar on the beach in Morocco, 1936. Portrait of two girls washing clothes in the street of London, 1900s. Laura Flynn Boyle for Mademoiselle magazine, 1990. Portrait of gentleman taken in front of Western Hotel, California, July 4th, 1889. Fourth of July, parade in Alaska, 1901. Ohio couple in their 1908 Cadillac Model S. Alice Milano in a photo shoot for Make Some magazine. The Crowds on State Street, Chicago, 1895. A female firefighting team on a converted motorcycle in London, 1932. Children walking along a dirt path through a wooded area, 1940. Jennifer Connelly. Railroad crew in 1906. Woman at her switchboard in 1914. Family seated in their automobile, 1915. Cameron Diaz for YM Mag, 1991. Lumberjacks in 1920. Workers laying bricks to pave 28th Street in Manhattan, 1930. Two Icemen make a delivery in Boston. Style-conscious Brad Pitt and Gwyneth Paltrow in New York, 1995. Family in front of their log house, 1880s. Family car camping, 1910s. Rural one-room schoolhouse in Florida, 1870s. Gina Davis's style in the 1990s. Woman selling fish from a barrel, 1910. Rainy Nights in London, 1899. Mother and Her Three Daughters, 1895. Grace Kelly's outfits in the movie To Catch a Thief, 1955. And Iceman, delivering a 25 Labatt block of ice in 1928, Houston, Texas. Young cotton mill workers in 1909. The opening of the Eiffel Tower during the 1889 World's Fair. Naomi Campbell's iconic appearances on the catwalk. A couple skating, Berlin, 1905. A saloon that allowed children their own child-sized beers, Wisconsin, 1890. Two gentlemen from the early 1900s. I Create Clothes, Women Create Fashion, Azzedine Alaia. Maintenance worker painting the Sydney Harbour Bridge, Australia, 1945. Two sisters, Florence and Susie Fryermuth, arrested for moonshining during the Prohibition, 1921. U.S. soldier giving a Japanese girl a bicycle ride, Japan, 1946. Car camping in the 1920s. Famous wing walker Lillian Boyer dangles from the wing of a biplane, 1922. Loggers with crosscut saw and oxen standing near a large fir log, Washington State, 1889. Making ice cream in 1940. Coca-Cola bottling, South Carolina, 1910s. A man and boy change a tire on the side of a dirt road, 1917. This giant sequoia tree was estimated to be over 2,600 years old when it was cut down in the 1890s. Mule-powered trolley in Galveston, Texas, late 19th century. American family in front of their home, 1904. Man takes a selfie using a stick of wood to activate the camera, 1957. Two musicians sitting on a porch in Louisiana, 1938. The Mississippi River frozen solid, 1905. A boy and his pedal car, 1930s. Amazing photo of a family in 1908. Looks like the little boy has a rifle. Shy young woman smiling for the camera 143 years ago. Shoe shiners taking a lunch break, New York City, 1947. Group of friends in beer garden, Munich, Germany, 1900. Photo of two children and a pony with railroad shop in background. Western North Carolina, 1930s. Portrait of two lads with their baby sibling taken in Manhattan, New York, 1918. Unidentified family in a Ford Model T Tourabout in Dumas, Arkansas, 1910. Ohio couple in their 1908 Cadillac Model S. A girl's first day of school in Pocahontas County, West Virginia, 1921. Young girls with their cameras, late 1930s. Mother and children, 1900. Homesteaders proudly showing off what they've built out in western Nebraska in 1890. Couple walks along the beach in Atlantic City, 1890. Two-seater in Paris, 1922. A group of young boys in the early 1940s, Washington. A 1920s Harley-Davidson with covered sidecar. Woman pulling a child on a sled in a park, 1915.